Hiya guys, welcome back to Cruiserman's Inventions. So this is quite an unusual looking motor. As a matter of fact, it's a self-looping generator. As you all know, that if you have ever worked with these washing machine motors, this is the 36 pole washing machine motor, that they, as soon as you spin them, they produce power, and a stock standard one, I've got up to 400 volts out of it just running it off a window wiper motor out of a car of 12 volts, and I gained up to 400 volts. So the idea with this, guys, is for the last few days it's been pouring down with rain here, and I haven't really had time to get much done apart from all of this. So let's go into it. I built all the stands and stuff here, guys, and looks pretty good. And in here I actually have the 3x4 generator. You the 3x4 generator. This camera is horrible, guys. I gotta go really slowly with this. Okay, and this is the other one that you can find on my channel as well. It is 3 generators in one. So basically I've taken 3 poles from here, tied them off at the ends, and seen what that power delivers, and then from 6 poles, and then taken that one off, see what, that delivers double the amount of power of that, and then the third one is all the rest of them, which can still run on half the amount of poles, still run a house light bulb. So anyways, guys, the key to this is, guys, um, that one of them is acting as a motor and one of them is acting as a generator. Okay. Good boy. Yes, you finished work. Hop off now. Okay. So down. Okay. And as you know, you probably need a bridge rectifier in between it to stop the powers from clashing. So this is a bridge rectifier here. And if you have a look under here, we've got AC on one side and a plus on the other side. So the plus is is the DC side, and the AC side is just alternating current. So that's where alternating current comes in here, and on the opposite side down here, and then the two remaining opposite pins here and down here, the black one here, would be negative. See, and I had to mark them out because they don't come marked out on the other side. So anyway, but that only covered 2 of the pins, and I needed to cover 3 of the pins, so I came up with another idea with the one-way blocking diodes. Power goes in one way and then can't come back the other way. So I used 3 of these in here and linked up this generator with the stock standard aluminum wire to this one, which is another generator. So the idea is, the reason why there's 2 different sprockets here, guys, is because one of them's got to turn the other one faster, which is the generator is this one generally, and the motor is this one here. But this time round, it's the motor is this one and the generator is this one. So when the motor turns, it's turning the generator really fast, and in return, power's coming out. Boom, going back to the motor, and I got it going back to either the 3 poles, and then I tried the 6 poles, and then I'll try all the rest of them just off what this power can deliver. Now down here, guys, I've got other ones that I rewired as well. This is the 2x6C, and that's a lot thicker wire, all copper, and these are my e-bike motors, and I think it's 25 turns per pole on that. You can run these off a 48 volt 1000 watt controller really easily, and yeah, they're good for 40 k's in speed. So and this is the other one. and I've wired every 12 poles and then tied it off at the end, another 12 poles and then tied it off at the end, another 12, and then looped all of the, because every 12 poles makes a motor when you tie it off. But so there's 3 lots of 12 in this 36 pole motor here, so it's 3 motors in one basically. And yeah, and this one is in half. It goes from here way up to here, but it's rewired. Um, but it's really made to handle higher power. So you can throw up to close to up to 100 volts through this one. So yeah, anyways, guys, this is a short video. Can it be done? The self-looping generator. I know what you are all saying. Just give it a spin. Show us. Show us. I'm not going to show you, because if you've done all this work yourself, would you really want to show anybody? This is my qualm with this. So I'm going to leave it up to you. You have seen what I've done. There is a combination between all of these wiring diagrams that you can do, where one of them will make the other one run. Okay? So I'm going to leave this up to the viewers now, guys. There's many different wiring diagrams. You can look at my channel on these, and I'll show you many of different wiring diagrams you can use. There's a magic key to these, but nobody has ever done it on YouTube before. This is why I'm not going to tune this and show you if this works or not. You have to do it yourself, okay? So I'm going to let you do all the work and stuff. It's never been done before, but you turn into a very rich person if you could make this work, right? Okay, so cool, guys. Oh, this is so cool. There's a magic key with this that makes it run. Okay, there's a magic wiring diagram you can do. So cool, guys. Enjoy. Work hard at it. Cool. Cruise Man out, guys. See you in the next vid.